Hi, I'm Jeff from Sussex Installations. Welcome to our factory here in Sussex where we manufacture these products end to end. I designed these products after over 21 years of experience in van security and running this business, Sussex Installations. I know exactly what we need. We need products to be stylish, we need them to look good, we need them to be effective, we need to have really good fitting instructions. I've fitted products from other manufacturers for many years with terrible instructions and I don't want that for you. I found that I was disappointed with the offering from other van security manufacturers. Either the product was letting it down, or the instructions were letting it down, or the service was letting it down. So I decided to put my money where my mouth was. I went and I got a building. I got the machinery and I got the staff and we got the skill and the expertise, and we can do better. So please find our product here, which we make in-house ourselves with care, with love, with pride. Very proud of this business here that I've got, Sussex Installations, and I'm very proud of my team, and we love your recognition and all your positive feedback. All of us care about customer service, delivering really good products for you and giving you a really good experience. So we've got a full range of products here in our warehouse. We have the external shields, which are really absolutely brilliant for repair. So if you've got a hole in your van, these are perfect to cover up the hole, and it also gives that extra bit of reinforcement. So nobody's going to be poking a screwdriver through one of these because it's 2mm thick stainless steel. And this one is a large size. So not only have we started making shields of a regular size, we've also had to make bigger shields as well, depending on where the damage is on your door. But we would highly recommend that you also purchase an internal shield. This internal shield will go inside your door. Where thieves are making that hole, they're attacking the latch that holds your door closed. This shield is 2mm stainless steel thick, and we double layer that up in the most vulnerable places to give you 4mm of stainless steel. If you also have that in conjunction with an external shield, that's 6mm of stainless steel between the thief getting at your latch mechanism. We manufacture this in-house. We don't trust this to anyone else. We don't subcontract any of these jobs. We do end to end. So please do shop with confidence with us here on our Sussex Installations store. Thanks for watching.